Hey, it's Greg Luther, and I am here in Northern California, gorgeous area. I wanted to show you some mountains. I'll be a little darker here, but you can see behind me. I actually met up here with a real estate agent today. We did a full day training for her real estate agents, for the members of her team. They're currently doing over $50,000 a month. I don't know if you can see if this will zoom in there or not. Absolutely gorgeous area. But we spent a lot of time today going over what it takes to truly be successful and generate enough buyers and sellers to meet your financial needs. One thing I've noticed, I'm always good at analogies. If you watched us for a while here, we're always very good at the analogies. And as I look at all these mountains that you can see in the backdrop, and this goes on, I mean, look at this back here. Again, this is in Northern California. And it's beautiful here, but a lot of these mountains, as I'm driving down the road, it makes me think of real estate agents' income, the ups and the downs that continue happening all the time, right? There's valleys, but there's also peaks. And what I found is if you're looking to turn that roller coaster of income into a bullet train, that's only going to happen from you utilizing a very specific approach and a predictable approach that will generate the type of revenue you need on a monthly basis. You can't be dependent on past clients and sphere of influence and other people dictating how much money you're making. You got to get rid of those peaks and valleys like you see here. We are right now near Santa Barbara, I believe, heading back to LAX for a flight, but we spent the entire day in Santa Maria working with agents that need to get consistent revenue. And how do we get to $60,000 a month, $70,000 a month? How is that even possible? So rather than the high roller coaster of income that happens, or these peaks and valleys like you see behind me here, what if you could actually create that bullet train that goes exactly where you want it to go? That's going to happen from using systems, from using approaches that will get you the type of revenue you need. So what I want you to do, if you haven't seen our training on, there's some bugs up here too. If you haven't seen our training on some of the free systems you can use to generate a lot of business for yourself, you can go to getfastclosings.com. And you'll see a quick little, I shouldn't say a quick training, it's about a 40-minute training there. But I want you to go to getfastclosings.com, and you will be able to watch that training to know exactly what to do to, instead of these huge peaks and valleys, you're going to have much higher and a little bit of up and down, way, way high. So again, I'm always big on those analogies, and seeing what you see behind me here, I know the lighting's not the greatest, but it's phenomenal views. I wish I lived in Northern California sometimes. But we are heading back home, flying home today. As many of you know, we have an awesome training for our members next week. We're going to talk about how you pick up buyers immediately, getting a lot more buyers for yourself. So I am flying home on a red eye tonight. But anyway, get rid of the peaks and valleys. How do you turn the roller coaster of income into a bullet train? This is exactly how you do it. So go to getfastclosings.com. Thanks for everybody commenting. I see Whitney says she loves Northern California. Doreen says safe travels. I'm flying commercial. Let's hope that Delta does their job and that I can sleep. That's what I care about. So hopefully you enjoy your day. Make it a great week. Go out there and make some money. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do two important things. It's both totally free. Number one, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.